Alright, so what am I getting from Amazon today? Pins. Look at that. You can have your deck hanging on solid pins. Alright, up next we've got a Manuoiti UC something. What is this? Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, I think I know what this is. The parking brake for an S100. Ha! Look at that. And that mower is already sold. This is how I end up with extra parts, guys. Alright, this last piece here. Let's see what this is. This is a spindle for a 42 to 48 inch deck. John Deere. Yeah, so I know exactly whose mower this has to go on. This goes on that Z335. Nice. Thanks, Amazon.